Good morning guys. So the time check is 3:38 in the
So
morning.
inayos ko lang yung mga gamit ko because we're going to somewhere. So syempre mamaya ko na sasabihin para surprise. So this is my outfit for today. So hindi tayo magiging puno for today's video. Pero syempre pinaghahandaan yan kapag mag-outing tayo. At dahil nagme-message na mga friends, so for the go na tayo. So this is us around 6 a.m. So bali apat lang kami naka-single and the rest is naka-4 wheels. So after an hour nakarating din kami sa Norzagaray, Bulacan. Namiss ko tong ganitong eksena. Kasama nga pala namin si Soro, charis. So binaba lang namin yung mga gamit namin, then sumakay din kami ng Toro-Tora. So yung binayad namin dito is 600 per Toro-Tora, mahal. So bali na 1 to kami, papunta pa lang sa mismong place. So syempre wala kami nagawa, kaya in-enjoy na lang namin yung biyahe dito. So I'll be sharing you some clips na experience namin dito. Oh my god, this is unexpected.
Kuya! Wala may pinitansya ka na makaresoksok!
After na yung experience on 30 minutes na roller coaster, so finally we're here. So actually this is not my first time going to DRT, so I know what to expect. So we're now at Secret Haven at Norzagaray, Bulacan. So yung napili naming campsite is malapit sa ilog. So for the entrance fee, nagbayad kami 220 pesos overnight na yon. So ito yung view namin sa campsite namin. Grabe, na-miss ko to yung ganitong view. So dahil tinatabad na ako mag-voice over, so mag-montage na lang tayo. Here we go!
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into love.
Usog ka sa kaliwa.
Everything will change when you
Kaliwa!